If this guide was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. We appreciate your support and will continue to provide more tips to help you save. How to get Verizon YouTube TV discount. If you're looking to save money on your streaming services, Verizon has fantastic offers that might interest you. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to get the Verizon YouTube TV discount so you can enjoy your favorite shows at a lower cost. First, let's begin by understanding the eligibility criteria. You need to be a Verizon customer, whether it's for wireless services, home internet, or FiOS TV. If you're not yet a Verizon customer, consider switching to explore their various discounts and deals. Once you've confirmed your Verizon status, visit the Verizon webpage or app. Look for promotions related to YouTube TV. Often, these discounts can be found under the Deals or Promotions section. Verizon regularly updates these offers, so if you don't see it immediately, check back periodically. When you find the YouTube TV discount offer, you'll likely need to log in to your Verizon account. Ensure your account is in good standing to qualify for promotional discounts. Some discounts might require you to sign up for specific Verizon plans, so analyze the options they present. Upon selecting the promotion, follow the instructions to activate the discount. You may be redirected to YouTube TV's website or app to complete the process. Typically, the discount will give you a set number of months at a reduced rate or a percentage off the regular YouTube TV subscription price. Remember to review the terms and conditions of the offer. This includes understanding the duration of the discount and any renewal pricing. Knowing these details will help avoid unexpected charges once the promotion period ends. And that's it. By following these steps, you can enjoy YouTube TV at a reduced cost through Verizon's discount program.